You want to do my intro? Act like me. I've never done that.
The wink in the beginning, the animation.
Oh, okay. Let's see. I've never done that.
Hey guys, it's Diamond Candy TV, and I am here with Candace, and we are gonna do a
Who's most likely to blank challenge.
Who's most likely to blank challenge. So yeah, this is my best friend if you've never met her.
Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome back to Diamond Candy TV. Today we are going to be doing you already know because I already told you. So let's get into it. Who's most likely to be in a choir?
Me?
Brittany.
But you would be in a choir too.
I've been in a choir when I was little.
I was too, but they didn't let me sing that much.
Ours was trash. Who is most likely to give all their money to charity?
Me.
So she just going to answer all the questions, talk about her.
Right, not you.
Who's most likely to marry celebrity? Brittany. Cause she a gold digger.
No, I'm not.
I'm just kidding. She's not. She's just, you know, in that world, you know, and you know. Okay.
I don't know if I should be offended by that.
Who's most likely to get married first?
Candace. It ain't me. That's for sure.
It might be it, to be honest, at this stage.
It's definitely still you. It's definitely still you.
I hope so.
Who's most likely to punch a wall?
I'm not punching a wall.
I don't think either of us would punch a wall, but she would definitely get more angry than me. For sure.
I don't punch walls though. I might throw my phone in the wall.
And make a hole in it.
I've done that.
Last week.
Now that we're on the subject.
Who's most likely to become a famous actress?
I think we both have the same, like the equal. You think so?
Yeah.
I think you.
No, I think you. If I would say you first.
I think we both have the propensity to be actors. I don't know.
Oh, that's definitely you. I don't have to say who's most likely. But I guess I'll read it for your viewers. Who was most likely to have been the first to kiss a guy or a girl? Candace, because she was fast. I'm just kidding.
No, my mama watches the channel. I'm not fast, mommy. I promise. What the heck?
But she was definitely first. For sure.
You think so?
Yes.
No, you kissed Brandon.
No, I did not. I did not. Because I kept telling you that his breath stuck. I did not kiss him.
We can't say these people's name. I'm
You gotta
bleep
bleep it. It was definitely you. Who's most likely to appear on some reality show? Both of us. We were both gonna be on a reality show.
I don't think we were, well, I know I personally wasn't like, what's it called? Not broken enough? Like, traumatized enough? Like, they weren't really like broken people that just are we hurt and like
we didn't have
crazy.
that many like personal issues to make TV.
Yeah, right. They want you to be up. I mean, messed up.
Maybe I was messed up because I was damn near.
Right. So or like the opposite. I think like I think I'm somewhere in the middle, so it wasn't exciting.
Who is most likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
Both of us.
Really? You think so?
I think maybe me.
I think I only spend my money on food.
That's kind of not something stupid, but like extraneous.
You buy a lot of stuff online.
Next.
I
guess it's me. Shit, okay? I guess it's me.
Who was most likely to live in a big city?
Brittany?
I think both of us.
I guess both of us. We're the same person.
I feel like we both will just stay in the house for a week if we're uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I think we both could like do anywhere.
Yeah. Except for the cold.
Oh yeah. This is a big city.
Well, we like
here,
it.
yeah, but yeah.
Because we just be on every end of it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Me?
Which one?
Who's most likely to embarrass themselves in front of their crush?
Really? I know it's not me, but you think you would?
I mean, sometimes I'll be fumbling, like, I don't know.
think I have fun, but I just don't care.
Yeah, I don't care either, but I mean, they still gonna be hooked. It don't matter. Okay, I'm just saying.
Who was most likely to cry because of a sad movie?
Both of us.
We really do both cry. What
movie was that?
No, but remember when I called you and I watched that commercial for Publix and you were like, Brittany, what's wrong with you? Do you remember that? It was the Thanksgiving commercial. I'm about to cry thinking about it. And the man lived by himself and the little boy wrote a card that was like, you're more than welcome to come to our house for Thanksgiving, because he didn't have any family. So he came and they set the whole table and the man was like crying because it... Sorry. And the Amazon commercial with the dog and the Asians.
I don't watch commercials.
Who was most likely to laugh at the wrong moment? Like
me.
No, but I am too.
Bruh. I laugh when things like
are sad or like intense.
I laugh like if we're in a serious situation, I'll be laughing my ass off just because I'm freaking crazy. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Or I like laugh out of like uncomfortability.
Yeah, just being uncomfortable. Anything like when I'm below, like when somebody's doing something like that's annoying me,
they blow her. Literally,
yes, like
you blew my mind.
You blew me, so I'm laughing. I remember I was like, me and my cousin were stranded. We did not know what to do, where to go, who to call. When I tell you I was crying and laughing, I don't know what's wrong with me. I really don't.
Remember that time that we got kicked out of the car in downtown Orlando at 3 o'clock in the morning because we couldn't find our car? You were not laughing.
That wasn't funny.
I was laughing. Mad. I was laughing, but that was funny. Oh man, that's
good times. Good times.
Well,
is that it?
I guess. Wah wah wah. Ooh, double it. Oh, you did 3.
Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Make sure you follow Brittany on her social media, brittanyluechoy, L-U-W.
She didn't even know it.
C-H-O.
She didn't even know it. She paused. She didn't even know how to spell the name.
That's called cadence when you speak. That's a
cadence.
Yes.
Sorry, go ahead. Take it away.
Make sure you follow her on her Instagram, which is brittanyluechoy, BRITTANYLUECHOY. Bam, just like that. And if you have any suggestions for any videos that we should do next as a team, and any videos that I should do on my own, whatever it is, make sure you drop them down in the comment box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. See you next time. Bye.